What if you could start your day feeling more refreshed and energized with gentle seated stretches you can do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 14-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed especially for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to feel more ease in their body without having to get down on the floor. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist. Feeling this gentle stretch create more space and ease through your spine and side body. Adding a cat-cow stretch. Inhale, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, releasing tension through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist. Sitting tall with your hands to your thighs, begin to gently rotate from right to left. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center. Moving into dynamic arm raises. With an inhale, sweep your arms forward and up as high as comfortable. And on your exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, increasing circulation through your upper body while stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead as you lift through one leg. Exhale, lower your arms and leg, repeating on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your core engaged with your navel back towards your spine, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, reach through one arm as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue alternating right and left, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through both feet. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center. Exhale, gently twist. Continue gently rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Moving into a side crunch variation. Maintain your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, reach one arm towards the earth, flexing through your side body. Continue flowing from right to left. With each exhale, focus on squeezing and contracting through your side body, activating your obliques while improving flexibility and lateral core strength. Pausing at center, moving into torso circles. Place your hands to your thighs with your fingertips pointing inward. With an inhale, gently circle your torso forward and around. Exhale, circle back. Continue flowing at your own pace, making this movement as big or as small as comfortable, creating more space and ease through your shoulders, chest, spine, and legs. Stay connected to your smooth, even breath as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Moving into a gentle side body stretch. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm overhead. Sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh. Repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing at your own pace, waking up the energy through your arms, shoulders, spine, and side body. Pausing and upright, maintain your wide stance. Place your hands to your thighs with your fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw opposite shoulder to knee. Inhale at center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your legs active. Feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulders, back, and legs. Release and go ahead and step your feet back to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you're sitting a little taller, feeling a little more refreshed and more energized for your day. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to Happy Yoga On Demand, where we have this series plus hundreds of episodes for every level, and you can cancel anytime. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.